Republicanism in the United Kingdom is the political movement that seeks to replace the United Kingdom's monarchy with a republic. Supporters of the movement, called Republicans, support alternative forms of governance to a monarchy, such as an elected head of state. Monarchy has been the form of government used in the countries that now make up the United Kingdom almost exclusively since the Middle Ages. A republican government existed in England and Wales, later along with Ireland and Scotland, in the mid-17th century as a result of the parliamentarian victory in the English Civil War. The Commonwealth of England, as the period was called, lasted from the execution of Charles I in 1649 until the restoration of the monarchy in 1660. In Britain, Republican sentiment has largely focused on the abolition of the British monarch rather than the dissolution of the British Union or independence for its constituent countries. In Northern Ireland, the term Republican is usually used in the sense of Irish republicanism. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.